we were opening a Treasure X toy, and we just got this robot hunter. And it was really cool, and we were opening this thing.
Yeah, so if you want to see us get this toy and see how you can open up these neat little toys, what are they called again?
Treasure X Hunters.
Treasure X Hunters. Watch our video. We're getting ready to open it up.
Yep.
So click and subscribe. All right, we're cutting it open.
Yep. I'm cutting it.
What are we doing?
We're doing
Okay.
Treasure X.
So you found your map.
Okay, here's the map. Now you see the map?
There's the map. And
Here's
I'll
a-
remove the alien.
Here's all the Treasure X, and here's all the aliens. We got the red. So now I'm gonna get him out. Okay, I'll get him
Hold
out.
on.
Wow, look at that. It's got lots of slime.
Okay, well, read the thing. Remember?
What's it say to do?
It says that you gotta it says you gotta cut open him.
Cut him open, huh?
Yep. It says cut open the lid.
Let's see.
Remove the alien from the crystal.
Now we gotta take the bottom off. It looks
I can
like.
do that.
Okay.
Look at that.
Can you get it open, Landon? Whoa! It pops right off.
Oh wow.
Okay.
That's cool. Look at this guy. I'm gonna take him out. Let's take the alien out of here.
I know. And then we gotta dissect the alien.
Can I dissect him?
Okay, so.
Dissect him. I want to dissect
No,
him.
it didn't say pull that off yet.
But can I dissect him?
So you're gonna take
Okay, I can
this
do this.
and you're gonna go in here.
Okay. I can do it. I can do
You're
it.
gonna find those edges and cut them open. Surgically, you gotta get them cut open. Watch your fingers.
Let me show you like this.
Oh, I can do that. I feel something in here.
Ask our subscribers, what do you think's inside of here?
What do you think's inside of
You
here?
want me to help you with this part?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll help start it and then you can finish.
Well, watch what you can do.
Watch your fingers.
You can take his head
Hey,
off!
it didn't say take
Oh
its
no!
head off
Oh
yet.
no! He's hurt before we started. Landon, get over there. You're supposed to be cutting them open with Mom. Whoa!
Look at this! Look
All right, now you're gonna stop.
Oh, there's a
stop.
rib cage.
Get it
Put
remote.
his head back on.
This is rib cage.
Okay, so you gotta take this.
I can do it out. Get it out. I'll get it out. Look, here's his rib cage.
Whoa! Let me see it. Show it to
Oh,
me.
there's a blind bag inside. He ate a whole blind bag.
Oh, that's.
Whoa.
Now this is full of slime, so we better get ourselves a tray or something.
Now,
Okay.
you want to see this?
Okay, let's see what's next.
You think we should, let's put his rib cage back in. Dad, can we put
So
his
let's
rib?
take his head off.
Yeah, put his rib cage. I'm gonna put his
Is
rib
there
cage
something
back.
in this?
I'm gonna put his rib
Oh,
cage
there's a
back
little
in.
holder. It looks like you can put.
Alright.
Oh, looks like you could put the slime in there and squirt the slime out.
Okay, let's open the bag.
That's got slime. That's got slime all over it. We better put ourselves down something on the table.
Yeah, this is how we get. This is where we put the slime in.
It's gonna be very messy, Mom. We need something to put.
Here's the pack where the alien came in. Look,
Give me 1 second.
You
Let
need
Mom
this.
go get your pan.
Let me see that thing, Landon. So what's inside of it? Nothing right now? Let's look. Oh, he's hollow. So
Whoa.
we gotta cut open the bag,
Let's
and then
see.
the bag's gonna have all of the
Look, here's his belly. Here's his belly. Now we're gonna. Here's his rib cage. Look at his rib cage.
Sweet. All right, get ready, Landon. You're gonna have to squirt it out. And we gotta
I
put
can do
the
it.
we gotta put the slime in the container.
Look at it. Let's see it. Look at this. Ew. Look at it.
Here's the container.
Scary slime. I see him. He's coming out. I see him. Whoa, he's cool. He's up. He's look, he's an alien. He's this.
Oh, we found. What is this thing?
I think it's an alien creature. Hey, Dad, look, it's an alien creature.
Show me. Let me see it.
Sticky.
Yes, we gotta get him out of here. Oh, I gotta get him. I got him. Here he is. Oh, I got him. He's right here.
He's covered in slime.
Get
He's
up on my
working
finger.
on me.
Get up on my finger.
Yeah, I was trying to hand you this.
Oh, Dad, look at his sword.
What? He's got a sword.
Ooh. You get up in my hand.
I thought there was something else in this thing.
Get up of me. Take this off.
You
Calm
covered
down
your
there, Shimmy.
slime.
Ew. It's disgusting.
Don't wipe it on your shirt, please.
Ew.
Do not wipe it on your shirt.
Peel it off.
I'm trying.
What is it? Now here's his gun. Here's his sword. Look at it.
Mm-hmm.
Here's a little alien creature. You want to see
So
him?
where did we end up
He's
here?
we got
oh,
this.
Pile of slime.
oh, here he is. Here's
That's
this.
actually very sticky and
Yes, it
Really?
is very sticky.
And gooey.
and then you got this little dude.
Look at it.
And then this was in there. I wonder what this does.
Oh. Here you go.
Yeah.
What is that?
I
Nine.
don't know what that is.
Yeah. 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 Slime.
What guy do we have for Johan?
We have, I think,
Doesn't show. We got this one, Dark of Clinker.
Darker Clinker. There he
What
is
is
right
that?
there. Hey, Dad, look. We got Darker Clinker.
Show me.
Darker Clinker.
Where's he at? Point him out to me.
Over here somewhere.
Wow.
Darker
And
Clinker.
then you
Duke
got this.
of Clanker.
And then we got this little.
Creature.
Looks like a
I'm
skeleton
gonna put his
rat. I
slime
don't
back.
know.
I'm gonna put his slime
Put the
back.
slime inside of him, so we
Okay.
can do the slime.
Yeah, so
Hold on.
please. And the slime
Why
needs
don't
to
we
be.
put the slime in the head? Remember?
Yeah. Okay.
Stick it, no, stick it in there.
Oh, get me. Yay!
Get it in there!
You think that's gonna work?
No, put it back! Put it back!
No, I'm not putting it
I'm not
in.
giving it all away. No,
Alright.
I'm keeping some of it.
No, no.
Get out.
Now keep it on the table. No, keep it on the table.
Don't sling it. Don't sling it.
Uh-oh.
Get up on my thing.
This is gonna end up in my hair. What do you think? Landon,
What?
I don't think I have enough.
Want to see him? Look at him.
So I hope everybody had fun watching us cut open this alien slime thing.
Well, you got this treasure hunter.
And they gotta click on our subscribe button. Check out all the new things we're gonna open and play with. And
Hold on, Dad.
I'm gonna put his sword in. I'm gonna put his
It's
sword.
coming out of his eyeballs and stuff before this video is over with.
wow, it's really going in there.
You know how we get his sword on?
Hey,
Can we
Landon.
get his sword
Hey,
on?
Landon.
What? Can I do it? How do I do it?
I like how that camera sees nothing but your butt. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
I'm glad you did. It was a little slimy, but it was fun.
So what did we open today, Landon? What was this thing?
Treasure.
Treasure.
Treasure what?
Treasure X. Oh, yeah, and don't forget to post sword from our treasure hunting video.
All right, Landon, you gonna close up the video? What are you gonna say to him?
Thanks for watching.
So thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.
And have a wonderful day. And have a gooey slime day.
Tell the camera that.
And have a very, very slime day.
Okay, we'll have a slime day. Say see you
Good job,
later.
bud. So peace out.
Peace out.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.